Welcome to Discovery at Home. Today we have a really fun experiment for you to try out. All you need is a plate, some foil, some cookie cutters, and then some old crayons that maybe are too small to color with. Now, all you need to do is wrap your plate with the foil so that there's a piece sticking up so it acts kind of like a tent, but it's going to help direct sunlight into our cookie cutters where we've placed our little pieces of crayon. So all you have to do is put the cookie cutters on the plate on top of the foil, break apart or put in the small pieces of crayons into the cookie cutter, and then when it's pretty warm outside, put it in direct sunlight so that the sunshine, the rays, are pointing down on the wax crayons, because what happens to wax when it gets really hot? It melts. So we're going to experiment to see how hot, maybe how long it takes. It could take a little while to melt depending on how hot it is outside. So you'll want to get it all ready, put it in the sun for a while, and go out every 30 minutes to an hour and just see the process and how it's working. And don't be afraid to experiment with it. You could try different colors, you could do one color, whatever you wish to experiment with. Give it a try, because you never know until you test it out. Well, this has been Discovery at Home. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Evergy.
Thank you to Evergy for making Discovery at Home possible.